Video we are going to see about the call span. What is call span is basically something that is in my previous video I show you how to create a table. It just has one line, like we have a header for each columns, and then we have something below the columns. But sometimes you might want to take two columns for one heading, you know, and then in the below one you put another heading, something like different kind of table. Let's see how to do that. That's why we are going to use call span. Now let's go ahead and see how to do that. Okay, first I open text edit, new document. I start from scratch. Um, Here the doc type HTML. Okay, and then HTML. I finish this one with \HTML. Inside this HTML, we are going to put the head, and inside of it, we are not going to have anything because we are going to deal with the body. So I end the head right here, \head, and then I start the body. Inside the body, we are going to have all these things. Let me close the body here, body, and then I'm going to create a table for this one. Also, we have to put the parenthesis kind of thing, table, and to create the border for tables, we have to put table border equal. In the quotation mark, we put 1. Okay, and that's for the beginning, and then end. I finish this one with backslash table. Okay, now uh, now I start the table rows and columns. In the first row, we are gonna use the call span. Call span is to capture. Let's say I'm gonna create two column table with two columns. I want to capture two columns to create one title. That's why we need this one. So T is for the header, and call span. Call span equal quotation mark 2. So this is going to capture two spaces and finish it right here. And then I'm going to type another header, H3, and I'm going to put the header title, not another header, the same header that's going to capture two columns. I named this one. I named this one as odd people. Okay. Now H3, and then I finish this one with \th. Okay. Now we have done with this. I finished the tr. I started with \tr. Okay, that's it for this one. Now we are going to write something on the other columns. Okay, the first column we created the big title, and the second column I'm going to create another title, like another header. This one I create one header for each columns. The above one is going to be one header for two columns. Okay, now each columns. To create for each columns, I have to just type. Okay, again start tr, and then finish it with \tr. Inside of this one, we are going to have the header, that is th, and first header I put type, finish it with \th, and then the second header I'm going to put reason. Okay, here what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the type of people. I found them out, two type of people. who are out, and I'm gonna say the reason why they are out. Reason. Okay, I put backslash th again. Okay, these are the two headers, and after that, we are gonna put the type of people. I'm gonna create two type of people, and I'm gonna put two reasons why they are out, like each one reason for each. Okay, again, we had to do the tr, start with tr, and then end with backslash tr. And inside of this one, we are gonna have td, td, and backslash td, td, again, td, um, backslash td. We need this one twice since we are going to write two kind of people who are out and then reason why they are out. Okay, so I need two of them, and the first one I'm going to write cat people, cat people. Why do I find them out? The reason is they will say 17 cats, uh, or seven. If they have 17 cats, it's just too many. That's why I find them out. 17 cats is just too many, and this is one of the people I find them out. And then loud people. Why do I find them out? Because they'll say, sure, turn that music up, turn that music up. It's only 3 a.m. It's only 3 a.m. Okay. Uh, that's why I found them out. Okay. Now let's put cat.html, cat.html, and then I put it in the desktop. Here we have it. Use HTML, and I run this one. Okay. Something wrong here because these odd people. What's the problem is? I put two. The colspan is basically to capture two spaces. Odd people has to go here and here all together. That's why we use colspan. I think the Mac doesn't support the HTML very well. If you are using Node++ from Windows, it will work really well. It will work perfect. But here it's just coming to the one column, but it should come to both. Okay. And other than that, everything else are right. Like other one, I create the what first header type is here, second header reason is here, and then cat people why I find them out, and the loud people why I find them out. Okay, that's how we do this kind of things. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.